Today I'm going to teach a simple lesson of printing on the Smartboard using the Smartboard notebook system. So two functions that we're going to be using on the Smartboard today are the lines function and the pen function. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do for this teaching lesson, we're going to build a printing station. So first things first is we're going to pick a line. I'm just going to pick a simple straight line and create our platform. So there's one line, and then we're just going to go about a foot underneath the other and print the second line. So you should have a clean space to work from to start with. Next, I'm going into the pen function, and here I found a dotted line pen application that I'm going to use to draw the center line for a guideline for students for printing. So it doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be straight, but it's something to guide their printing so that it's not bigger than the page, smaller than the lines, kind of deal. So, and then we are just going to simply be working with our names. So my name is Miss Duffield, and I'm going to be teaching the students that they need to stay within the lines and the guidelines today. So capital letters go above the center line, and lowercase letters go below the center line. So they can simply work on practicing spelling their names. I would get them to make sure that their tops of their lowercase letters are simply below the lowercase or the middle center line, which mine aren't, but Smartboards need to be configured usually once or twice before you need to start, especially if you're using lots of kids on your Smartboard. I'm just going to go ahead and erase the board, and just a simple fun trick that you can use for erasing a large amount of information. Start at the top, circle around it, and tap in the middle. And that's going to erase your lines. Because these are lines that will stay there, you can always just erase all the information that you've put in the middle, and then they can start from the beginning. So same thing again, just need to pick a dotted line, draw a center line. Oh, that didn't work. Let's try again. We can erase that. It's not always going to work the way you want it to. That's technology for you. And once again, draw the center line, and they can keep going with their printing. Okay, awesome. So that's one way I'm going to use a Smartboard to teach a lesson in a grade 1 or 2 classroom.